Kakanhon jungka Kongres hapo kejengalam Dr. Mukul M. Sangma hakasni palai jungka tayo kalalet yakendo yaulat kejala Usatya Pal Malik Haraj Bhavan Shillong ban Kyrpad ba unshim kyalang hakabiaday ba kejingdawa Pyntreikam no yak lain permit hakajala haba ajing motrung yak sorkar jala bakan Pyntreikam no shua daka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arajar kat rio kat badang ab yak kejumen jur jong sorkar pedeng.
Habaikran bekilat patai kubur hadian kejing kendo iulat kejela u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma u bederu nong yalam keliang persya aki yang dorbar tawan kejela. Ulang ba kejing dawa ke lain permit kedai kejing dawa kepala Phah daki kenhuan boper kejela bat kejing shimrai jong yang dorbar tawan ya kesnem kepala Leit kedai namar kejing penlongan jong ke sorkar pedeng ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act. Kabala banwara jengmai kejela na kejing wan buhai shnong jong kibriu ki banabar. Kamtam ba kejela Meghalaya kadon ni kejaka kaput bajrong bat keri Bangladesh bat kejela Assam. Namar kata ulai jengmut ek sorkar jela bagan Pyntreikam no da ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arhajar ka nrio hak jela kat badang ab ek jengmenjor jong sorkar pedeng ya ke lain permit hak ju kopor ulekentu ek sorkar jela bakan Phah penphashwa ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill arhajar arpo kabalas ateng lajan chisnem banyo ek jengmenjor.
Well, I'm thankful that he has given a very patient hearing. He wanted to know more about the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. I had the privilege to give him a background as to how the whole legislation ultimately took place, the whole process of culminating into the enactment of Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016. And how this region, including Meghalaya, has always had these challenges associated with the issues of influx and illegal immigration, and therefore there was a need to have something which is through the mandate of law to address those concerns more comprehensively, not in isolation but in more totality.
Hagani kejing kendo iulat ke Kongres kala Kyrpad ru iulat boon betha ek sorkar jela bakan penlong no ek election MDC jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kabalade banlong no ubnai risau bentha kesnem. Ulong bag sorkar jela kala penslam kai ek election da ka baai daw na kejing sapriang jong kejing pang COVID-19. Katkum kejing ong jung ke sorkar Kongres menchua kala penjelan yak election MDC ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council halor kejing betha jong Kementerian Home Affairs namar kejing thu Pyntreikam yak ikendon soskula rekren isok jong ke ANVC kata ban penbon yak seat MDC bat ban penkuk bor syo ik District Council. Nalor kani ke Kongres kala pensnguru hulat yak jing jong ginong trei kene ke District Council ki balat trei klem tulap mentalalai snam bat kumjuru halor kejing mi kejing kendok bamsap ha kene ke District Council.
Non-payment of the salary, I am told that the employees of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council have not been paid their salary since May 2018. The delegation representing the victims and the employees are camping in Shillong. They have also submitted a representation to the Honorable Governor and also a copy addressed to me. So I have drawn his attention to this very serious issue, including the issue of alleged corruptions, where the money which was sanctioned by Government of India for developmental purpose of backward tribal areas and poor tribal people have been alleged to have been misappropriated. That has been brought into his notice, and then to ensure that the process of law is given the way to have the law its own course in respect of investigating and booking those people, whoever must have been involved in such alleged misappropriation and corruption.